The Hanna HI9814K Grow Line Waterproof Portable pH EC TDS Temperature Hydroponics Meter Kit with a single amplified probe that is immune to interference from humidity and electrical noise. The probe features a thick gauge cable with stress relief at both ends designed to hold up to all-day, everyday commercial use. The meter, probe, and cable are IP67 rated safe for immersion in water up to 3 feet deep for up to 30 minutes. If you drop the meter in a reservoir, it will float instead of sinking to the bottom like other meters. Calibrate pH and conductivity at the same time with a single calibration solution, saving you time and money. We call it 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐭. Alternatively, calibrate pH and EC separately using any brand of calibration solution. Switch to millivolt mode or simply look at the probe health indicator icon after 2 points. Calibration to monitor the health and accuracy of the probe. The HI9814 also includes 3 easy to replace AAA batteries to provide 600 hours of continuous use. If you have any questions regarding this product or any others, please feel free to visit us at Certified MTP